Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll guide you through organizing your Telegram web experience on PC with the latest update. If your chat list feels overwhelming, creating custom folders can help you focus on what matters most. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main chat screen, look to the top left corner of the interface. You'll see a small menu icon shaped like 3 horizontal lines. Click this to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options listed, select Settings. This will open a new window where Telegram houses all your customization tools. Scroll down slightly until you spot the Chat Folders section. Click it to access folder management. Here, you'll find an option labeled Create a New Folder. Give it a click, and a configuration panel will appear. Start by typing a name for your folder in the text box. Choose something descriptive, like work projects or social groups, to make it easy to identify later. Next, click the Add Chats button below the name field. Telegram will display a list of all your current conversations, channels, and groups. Browse through and select the ones you want to include in this folder. You can pick specific individuals, entire groups, or even channels, whatever suits your organizational needs. Once you've made your selections, hit the Save button at the bottom of the panel. Telegram will prompt you to confirm your choices. Review the list to ensure everything's in place, then click Create. And that's it. Your new folder will now appear as a dedicated tab on the left-hand sidebar of Telegram Web. You can switch between your main chat list and this folder with a single click. Need to edit it later? Return to the Chat Folders menu. Locate your folder and adjust the included chats or rename it anytime. This feature is perfect for separating work from personal chats, grouping hobby-related communities, or decluttering noisy channels. Plus, it syncs seamlessly with the Telegram mobile app, so your organization stays consistent across devices. Thanks for following along. If this tutorial simplified your Telegram experience, consider liking this video and subscribing for more tech tips. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay organized and productive.